Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I will talk about another ganzo knife from China. This model is the G727m-BK. BK quite likely for black. They make that model in different other G10 colors as well. The item comes in that black box. Nothing is impossible, and quite likely all the fake items, symbols there, like the grüne Punkt. Inside we have the typical bag that comes with it, and then the part here, nothing special at all. The ganzo knives are usually clones of existing designs. Like this one would be based on the rat knife, folding knife design, with its shape and the fully flat ground blade. Plus they did not go with a liner lock but axis lock, like that would be common from Benchmade in USA. So it's a bit a new approach and a mix, and the quality of those items are really good for the price. And I was curious to test that design out because I like the liner lock variation from the rat already. So we have two solid stainless steel liners, open construction with spacers and torque screws. The handle is G10, nicely rounded off on the side. The whole knife is really nice in your hand and smooth. We have the axis lock part up here. There are no serrations or anything like that around the whole handle, so it's completely smooth. The only part that has a big grooves is over here, that is on the blade. On the back side we have a stainless steel pocket clip in a too shiny color that should be a bit blasted. It holds with 3 screws, and those are reversible for left-hander use anyhow too, because that axis lock you can use on both sides. That is perfect for left-handed people as well. Then on the blade side we have a fully flat grinded 440C blade. Quality is really nice done. We have 2 thumb studs that are easy to use for opening the knife. That is not standing out too much over the side of the G10, but the distance between the G10 and the thumb stud really allow it for an easy one hand use. So what it needed from start is a bit oil, bit adjustment on the privet. I also did cut off the edge of the liners inside a bit. Those are really sharp. If you hold the knife in a tighter way, you feel that inside. What also would be good, as I did say, is bead blast the pocket clip so that that is not shiny anymore. And what really should be done is that ganzo makes some cutout on the solid liners, just a couple holes to make the whole thing more light. The G10 has that typical textured finish, that peel off variation of the G10 in a textured finish, not too coarse in this case here. And yeah, the size is about like the original rat knife, so nothing special there. What we lose a bit by design is the distance between here and where the edge start cutting. That is good 20 millimeter that we lose by the design, but it lays really nice in your hand. It's really well designed in that manner, and with the bigger variation here we still have a good size of an edge as well. It's compact and nice done. The blade is centered well too. the blade is nearly as long as the handle. So yeah, so far it did work out pretty well. But we have now winter here in North Georgia, so that is something that I'm gonna test out next summer a bit more outdoors, but with that kind of handle, with the solid axis lock and the fully flat ground 440C blade. That is for sure no problem that I see coming. So that much about this ganzo knife.